In Bangladesh, trains often become a lifeline for millions. But during peak travel seasons, the scenes are unbelievable. Coaches fill up long before departure, leaving thousands with no choice but to ride wherever they can find space. People cling to doors, hang from the sides, and many even climb onto the roof of the train, holding on tightly as it rushes through the countryside. For these passengers, it's not just a journey, it's a necessity. Whether it's visiting family, returning home for festivals, or traveling for work, the demand far exceeds the available capacity. Despite the risks, this overcrowded travel has become a common sight, showing the determination of people who simply can't afford to miss a ride.